Hello everyone, welcome back to Technit. This is Sanit. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon for more updates. So, how to run Java program in VS Code, right? For that, we have to follow three simple steps that we'll be discussing in this video. So, first step is to install Java Development Kit from Oracle. Second step, installing VS Code. And third step, installing extensions for that. So, here first we have to check the command prompt whether Java JDK is available or not. So for that, simply Java space hyphen version. Okay. Then enter. So Java is not recognized as internal external command. So that means you don't have any JDK in your PC or laptop. For that, you have to go Google, search JDK download. Okay. After that, JDK downloads Oracle. Scroll down. So here we can see Linux, macOS, Windows. So depends on the platform you have to install. I'm using here Windows. So I'm downloading x64 MSI installer. Okay. So it will be downloaded with very quickly. Then open JDK 25, which will be downloaded. So next, click on the next, click on the next. So it will take little seconds. So close. That means your JDK is installed on PC. Then close. Right? So now the second step is, the next step is open C drive, click on the program files, next click on the Java. So follow steps clearly. If you are confused, go back and come again. Okay. So now open bin. After bin, you have to copy your path, right? You click on that and enter and copy, Control C. Okay. If you're confused, go back and come again. This is a crucial step here. So then go on the edit the environment env or search an env. Create, click on the environment variables. Next, here we have to click on new. So variable name, I'm typing here Java, capital A, Java home. Okay. Now copy the link or path which you have copied earlier. Okay. Next, I'm removing just bin. Up to Java JDK 25 will be sufficient. You have to remove bin. Okay. Right. Okay. Click on OK. So now next. So next you have to click on path. Okay. Here in system variables, you have to click on the path. Only path. Next, edit. Next, new. Not edit here, new. Click on new. Enter, paste your, which was copied your path earlier. Okay. Which you have copied path earlier, paste here. Okay. Then OK. Then OK. Then OK. Then your path is completely successfully set up. Now open command prompt. Now type again Java space hyphen version. Then successfully JDK is set up in your local PC, right? Now second step is you have to download VS Code from Google or any browser. Click on the download VS Code. So if you are using Windows or Linux or Mac, I'm using Windows, just click on the Windows, it will be downloaded within seconds. Okay. So after clicking all OKs, you will be visible like this interface. Now go for extensions. Okay. For extensions, search Java. So now here we have to install extension pack for Java. It is a from powered by Microsoft. So for my, I have already installed. So I'm clicking on install all and install again. Okay. So click on the install. Right. Then will be installed successfully. And next go for next search code runner. Okay. Next, search code runner in extensions and click on the one dot run. So it will be support for all C, Java, Python, all. So install, trust publisher, install. Okay. So install successfully. Now, so right, we have successfully installed all requirements. Now I'm so I create a new file like hello-demo.java. So type your code here and see whether the code is running or not. So make sure that file name and class name will be same for Java. Okay. So I ran the program. So it successfully run it. I'm happy to download JDK. So subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Tata.